Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. I'm Imran. Today with you with a new lesson. I went through one website today, that's udemy.com. I came to realize that why our youngsters are wasting their time. Why don't they learn some new skills? When I opened that website, Udemy, there are many courses which are free, online courses free, and there are certain courses which you are supposed to pay not that much amount. Our youngsters, they can learn the skills whatever they desire, because there are many skills are there. Wherever your skill, wherever your interest is there, you can develop. For example, if you are interested in web development, you are interested in the data science. If you are interested in the mobile development, you are interested in the lifestyle, marketing, designs, IT or software, even the languages. There are many courses, online courses, free courses, and some you are supposed to pay. Just only wasting our time in useless activities. Better to learn some skills. And if you learn these skills, any one of the skills, you do not need any government or the private job. Just sit at home and you can earn your livelihood. For example, if you are good at JavaScript, and if you are good at maybe you know that HTMLs, PPH, are so many. There could be many other that skills, like machines learning. There could be the deep learning, data analysis, artificial intelligence, statics. So if you are interested in the language, we have many languages, like that we have, as I told you, the Java. We have the language. If you are really interested in teaching education, teaching, if you are interested in just only teaching, then we have languages. We are having many